Good evening, everybody. Crypto Strang here. One from previous videos I've done about Ascendex and the wonderful exchange. The team have actually reached out to me to appreciate the videos I've done, which I really do, appreciate their kind words. But what they've done, because I've done that, they're actually offering this exclusive bonus to anyone watching this video and sign up to Ascendex. Today they've enlisted the BSGG, which is, you can see on the screen, the Betswap.gg, which is basically, it's a decentralized sports and esports betting exchange. And it's launched on the Ethereum/Polygon blockchain. But I was reading up on more, and it's also on the Phantom and Avalanche blockchains. But Betswap is different. You're not betting against the house, the bookies, whatever you want to call it. You're betting against other people, other humans. So it's not just against the company. You're actually doing peer-to-peer betting. So it's interesting, that part of it. Obviously, you've got to be very careful. We're talking about gambling, even though obviously crypto is a gamble, really, let's be honest. However, this is real proper gambling. So again, if you want to join the site, be gambling aware. However, I'm merely talking about the BSGG token and Ascendex offering this wonderful bonus, and also the staking that they've just started on their website. So basically what they're saying is, it's just launched BSGG on Ascendex, as I say. Now what do, if you trade more than $100, they're going to give you $5 to $20 reward, okay, in USDT by, getting yourself some BSGG. So get some BSGG and get that free USD tether. So it's great to see. Now, at the moment, it's 0.004, up nearly 3%. Now, the supply is not brilliant. It's basically about 15%, 1.5 billion is out at the moment, and we've got 10 billion total circulation. Markup, they're not sure about, hence the rank so low. I think it's just over $7 million. Definitely potential here for a low cap gem. And it's got obviously general usage, which is always great to see. Now, when you scroll through their site, it gives a lot of information. Go through it and see Betswap CC, Sports Trading Exchange, choose your site to be a better or a bookie. The Betswap Sports Prediction Market allows users to be a better or bookmaker, which again makes it different from a traditional bookmakers, doesn't it? Let's be honest. Talk about the BSGG token, the utility, provides multiple utilities, including DAO, governance, staking, social betting, and discounted platform fees. So basically, by using the token, you're getting discounted fees, which is great. It gives you that general usage. When you hold BSGG, you receive a discount on platform fees, leaving more money in your pocket. Token buybacks, I thought was interesting. Regularly performs BSGG token buybacks. This removes tokens from circulation, ensuring the token supply is consistently reduced and is deflationary by design. So again, long term, it's looking pretty good. They've obviously got to develop and keep going. But you look up here, upcoming BSGG games. They're not just talking about betting like football and all sports, etc. This is actually talking about roulette, going to casino, cash tremble. So again, you've got to be aware of gambling, as always said. But it states there, we're focused on transforming how people think, feel, and play during the engagement in sports and at the casino. So it's a multiple gambling site. We'll talk about the BSGG sports, all the different areas of it, but the investors was good to see as well. Genuine people invest in the company. Now the milestones, you can see there this year, February, April this year, the testnet launched multi-chain staking. Now, as we scroll through, you can see here all the extra plans. July just gone, we had the mainnet, and then here we are now, August and September, the global partnership, B2B discussions. October, DAO voting, social betting, free to play, centralized exchange, tier 2 listing. November 22, the fantasy sports Betswap or metaverse, and a tier 1 listing on centralized exchange in December, all this year. So you have got a lot of potential here. Okay, now that's what I like about it. I think, I say, you've got to look into some broader terms, how popular betting is, a multi-billion-dollar industry. You get a project like this, does have a lot of potential. It's not financial advice, who knows where this will go, but there's a lot of potential here. Now, also, there's been a lot in the news as well. You can see the articles here, which you just click on. CoinDesk invested in Forbes. People talk very fondly about their plans and how they're sort of changing the betting industry to make it that blockchain. Now, it also goes through here, frequently asked questions. Betswap is DeFi's first true multi-chain decentralized peer-to-peer sports betting exchange. Betswap, as I said, allows anyone from anywhere to make predictions on popular sport and e-sport events. No personal information is required. Okay, so when you actually go on Ascendex, and there's a link below. I do appreciate people starting using my link, always do. So they're offering this special thing now. If you sign up to Ascendex and do some trade, get yourself some Betswap GG and get yourself some free tether. So it's great to see, and I think I really do appreciate obviously doing this wonderful welcome bonus with Betswap. Okay, but we talk about rewards on Ascendex, just going off topic slightly. I didn't show this on the previous video, but their reward center is very good. Enable futures trading. I've got to do this myself. You get $10 futures bonus just for sign up. Okay, the trade BC perp, you get 5 USD tether. Okay, trading bonus, total few trading more. Now, you obviously not people can do this 500,000 tether. They give you a bonus, but also you get the lighter ones as well, like 1,000 tether, and you get a 50 USDT futures bonus. Okay, that's deposit any token, basically 1,000 Tether, for example, and you get more Tether bonus. So they're offering a lot of rewards, up to $600, obviously depending on what you deposit. Okay, so obviously not everyone's going to have that sort of money, obviously, but they do offer some great rewards on Ascendex as well. So, but getting back to Betswap, I say the staking's gone live today, and the APY at the moment is 34.97%. Minimum delegation amount is just 1,000. I say at the moment just 0.004 the token cost. I will be doing the staking. I know I've showed before, I showed you the Solana and all that, and how to basically easily deposit on there or buy direct on Ascendex, because they do allow fiat to crypto. Otherwise, just deposit on here, but also just trade it and get yourself some BSGG, start staking, okay? I think it's a wonderful APY, so we'll be doing it. I say I hadn't looked into this project till Ascendex approached me, but I'm glad they have, because it's a general usage. And me personally, again, I'm just going to take that chance in this, okay? Because obviously the betting industry, as I say, is a £1 billion industry, but there's also some other great APYs you can see with the other staking projects. But just concentrate on BSGG, 34.97%. It's absolutely fantastic, and I really do like that. And I think it's got such huge potential here. You can see it now. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of competition. There's already some out there as well. But Betswap, ready for your new project, great roadmap, great staking rewards, up 3% a day. That cost, plus they're going to take back some of the supply. So even though we said there's only 15% of the supply out there, with what they're actually going to take back long term, again, it's got a lot of potential here. So it's certainly another one to keep on your radar. And because I like the fact it's general use and it's in the betting industry, I'm actually going to take a chance. I don't own any other cryptos related to betting, so I think it's just a nice little bag I'm going to get. And I say with that APY and the staking, just make it work for me. So thanks very much. As usual, any help, email me info@cryptostrang.com. Any help getting started with Ascendex, staking. We can have a FaceTime, we can do some screenshots, help any way I can. All my social media links below, don't hesitate to reach out, help any way I can. So there is a link below for Ascendex, special rate, fantastic. I do appreciate it. I say all the people who signed up using my link, I say it's always great when people do that for us. I say I genuinely really do appreciate it. So have a wonderful evening. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now, bye.